Is your money truly safe from online fraud, identity theft, or a stolen card? It's a question that keeps a lot of us up at night. In today's world, where so much of our life is digital and our cards are used everywhere from online shopping to tapping a transit gate, the thought of an unauthorized transaction hitting your bank account or credit card is genuinely terrifying. You see those news stories all the time: massive data breaches, sophisticated phishing scams. It's enough to make you want to put your money under a mattress. But the reality is, you need to use your cards, and you shouldn't have to choose between convenience and security. This is where policies like Rogers' zero liability on unauthorized transactions step in to offer a vital layer of protection and, more importantly, peace of mind. So, what exactly is zero liability, and what does it mean for you as a customer? In simple terms, Rogers' zero liability means that if someone uses your eligible Rogers Bank MasterCard without your permission, you will not be held responsible for those unauthorized charges. The key word here is unauthorized. This isn't about buyer's remorse, it's about fraud, theft, or card skimming. Think of it as a safety net. If a fraudulent transaction pops up, say, a massive charge from an online retailer you've never visited, you report it, Rogers investigates, and as long as you meet a few basic conditions, you get your money back. You're not liable. Your credit score isn't trashed, and your savings aren't gone. Now, to make sure this promise holds up, there are a couple of small, common-sense rules on your side. You're expected to use reasonable care to protect your card and its credentials, like your PIN or passwords. And most importantly, you need to report any loss, theft, or suspicious activity promptly, as soon as you become aware of it. Don't wait 3 months, report it immediately. This isn't just a nice feature, it's a commitment to security. It acknowledges that even the most vigilant person can be a victim of crime. It allows you to use your card for everyday purchases, online or in-store, with the backing of a policy that says, "We've got you covered." So, you can go about your day, tap your card, buy what you need, and rest a little easier knowing that your financial institution, through policies like zero liability, is actively standing between you and the fraudsters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.